Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to at these paths how to make these physics simulated objects to carve paths on the snow like this. As you can see here, these objects carve paths on the snow as they move on the ground in the snow. Let me show you again. See, alright, and in time these paths also get vanished to simulate covering up with this snow later on, just like these footprints. Alright, let's see how to do that. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, now we have implemented snow deformation for this character. So how about other objects like physics object especially? So if I add a sphere like this, and let's place it somewhere like here, and if I simulate physics on this object, it doesn't show any path. So I want to implement a way to address such scenarios. Right, so first I'll delete this. No, can we, yeah, let's delete this and create a new blueprint. Actor pp react, what should we call it? Physics object. Right, now here I'll add a cube, or maybe not a cube, let's add a sphere. Same as before, and I'll simulate physics for this sphere like that. Okay, now I'll add, but let's where do we have materials? Color. Let's set up a simple material. For this, so let's use color like this. Okay, now what if I duplicate this without simulating physics? Like this. I think it should be detached. Yeah, exactly, it has been detached. So okay, we don't need that. So for footprints, yeah, this is the footprint we defined. So as the object moves away, let's say in the tick. What if we spawn a sequence of these footprint like objects? Yeah, actually, let's go to footprint. Here, instead of a plane, we could use a sphere. So let's create a child class, BP footprint child, and here let me enable the visibility of engine content again. Or is it necessary? I need a sphere, that's all I need. Alright, here. As this static mesh component, I'll use this sphere. And let's enable the visibility of that. Right. Now in here, in the begin play, I'll get the access the sphere and get actor location. Sorry, get world location. And promote it to a variable. Let's call it pre-location. So what I am trying to do is, if this object has been moved a certain amount from the previous location, I'm gonna spawn another this BP footprint child object. So pre-location distance. If this is, what's the radius of this one? Can we access radius? No, we can't. So okay, so let's give some random number. If this is not random, some number, let's change it as we need. Let's use 20. If this distance is larger than 20, spawn actor from class. I'm gonna use PP footprint child. As the spawn transform, let's split this. I'm gonna use previous, no, the world location of this sphere, and I don't think this rotation and everything matters. Set previous location with the current location of this sphere. Okay, let's test it. Alright, it is working. Now I'll make this invisible. Okay, it's not very good actually. Let's check the material. Deform source. Alright, here right, let's create another material. So here we don't really need a texture like this because this is not going to be something like a footprint. So I'll just plug one here, sphere, so I'll assign that material for this and test. See, now we have a good path. Since this scene is too bright, we can't really see the path. Oh, it's the skylight. That's also not that sharp. Right, anyway, let's add a couple of objects. See, now you can see the path, and it has been cleared. It is being clearing in time. Okay, so I think we can stop this episode right here. But we have one problem here. The problem is if I hit on this and if it is moving above the ground because of the reaction of the player, but still it would show the trailer. Let's say no, if we add a ramp like thing, but I'm not sure how to add it. Let's see, still it has a path. Let's check again. See, alright, so to prevent that, maybe let's enable simulation generates hit events. Then on component hit, now instead of the tick, let's use hit and disconnect this. So only if the object is hitting, it should spawn this. Right, now it is okay. In the distance it is not visible. Let's check. See, it's really hard to test. If I hit, okay, now until this point object was above the ground, so it didn't carve a path. So that's exactly what I wanted to do. Alright, let me do a test again. Right, exactly. Okay, that problem is also fixed. Okay, so right, I'm gonna stop this episode right here. And as always, project files will be available for the download through Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.